Wolf here, and in this video we'll be going over how to adjust your screen size on PS4. So if you're on your PS4 and you notice when you're on the home screen, for instance, your screen isn't touching the corners of your TV. There are black lines around the entire thing, and it's not all blue like it is on my screen right now. This is going to be how to fix that, how to adjust it so that that's not exactly a problem for you anymore. So let's go ahead and jump right on into it. So here we are, we're on our PS4, the home screen, and what you're going to want to do is we're going to go ahead and head on up and then all the way on over to the right. We want to go all the way on over to our settings. Now from our settings we're going to go ahead and press X, and then after pressing X, next what you want to do is we're going to go down. So go down until you see sound and screen, and you can see there are two icons there. There's a screen on the left, and that's a speaker to the right of it. Screen and sound. So press X, and after pressing X, what you're going to do is we're going to go down to display area settings. So go ahead and press X on that, and then once you're there, you'll see we now have this screen here, which gives us bars at the corner of the screen. This is so that we can align it properly with the corner of our TV. This is something that can happen especially on older TVs where you have those bars around the side. It's not properly filling it out. This is what you'd want to do, and you're basically going to match those up with the corner of your TV screen. So put them at the very edge using up and down. Up is to make it bigger, down is to make it smaller. And you can see it actually says here, this setting is effective only for some applications. So this is only on this screen here, not this one specifically, the one before the PlayStation home screen. That's what this is for, and also some applications like they say. When it comes to specific games, let's say you're starting up a game and it changes after you start the game up, that's something you would want to adjust in the game itself. Sometimes in the options, well, usually they have a setting there that you can go into and use to adjust it for the game in the specific options for that game. So there you go. That's how you can adjust your screen size on PS4. Now if this video helped you out, I'd appreciate it if you could do the thing, and if you're new, maybe consider a sub as well. I'm Wolf, and until next time.